Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 2 episodes, we want you to know everything what you need to know to become a K-pop star. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. So don't miss out the other episode. Your favorite K-pop stars were merely regular trainees before becoming the recognizable talents you know and love. As K-pop becomes more and more popular, more and more people from all over the world are applying to be K-pop trainees in the hopes of one day becoming famous. If you aspire to be a K-pop star, this article will provide you with all the information you require to launch a successful career as a trainee. Aim for the moon and prepare ready to fulfill your ambitions. 1. Attend dance courses to hone your dancing skills and expand your repertoire. Take a range of dance lessons while keeping a focus on hip-hop and urban dancing if you don't have much experience dancing. Being an excellent performer is a huge component of training, and that involves dancing. 2. Spend money on a vocal coach to improve your singing skills. Even if you're a fantastic vocalist already, a coach probably has something new to offer you. They may even offer you advice on how to perform with more endurance. 3. To complete your skill set, practice rapping. Many K-pop songs contain rapping, which is a significant component of the K-pop genre. To learn the rhythm and begin copying your favorite performers, listen to more rap music. 4. Work on refining well-known tunes and writing your own music. You must perform songs that the producers are familiar with when you audition, but as a trainee, you will be focusing on developing and choreographing your own unique music. Working on both facets of being a performer is a fantastic idea. 5. Learn about the culture and ideals of beauty in Korea. You will still be serving a primarily Korean audience, even though many organizations will accept non-Korean trainees. If you're not already familiar, it's a good idea to learn about the culture. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.